Hello, you beautiful people. I thought we would do this a bit old school. I thought we would just do something very off the cuff, very OG YouTube. No setting up, just spooling off. How to read more. And this is a question I've been thinking about because, as you know, I review books on this channel. I talk about books on this channel. But I'm going to be honest, I have no desire to read at the moment. People call it the slump. Some people call it the heebie-jeebies. I call it, I just can't be bothered. I'm just not interested. I'm just not interested. And that's really important. Sometimes people are like, oh, what do I do to get out? Sometimes you're just not interested. You cannot jump over that hurdle until the hurdle presents itself as something that you can do. I truly cannot think of anything at the moment that's more boring than reading. I love reading, but I get in these, modes. I cannot be bothered. You can stick a new book in front of me, and, I open it, and I'm like, nah, I'd rather not. And that's basically it. I'd prefer not to. I'd rather not. This isn't some, wow, look at this. Sometimes you just don't want to. You just don't want to read. You have no desire to read. You ain't interested in reading. It's really normal. Most people cannot do, a task consistently. People will just, bore themselves out of it. And then it takes, a month, maybe 2 months, maybe a bit more. And then they'll go back to it again with vigour and strength and determination. But right now, that ain't me. And maybe that's not you. And that's completely fine. Maybe that's okay. Most people cannot do the same task over and over and over again without exerting themselves, of the enjoyment of that task. Or they're just chasing the next best thing. Or would you believe it? Some people lie. Isn't that wild to think? And I know some people will be like, you can't say that they lie. You don't have any proof that they lie. Well, you've looked up my nose, and you know that in my heart, up here, I'm telling the truth. People on the internet lie. They lie all the time. It's just it's a really normal thing. Just deal with it. And that's it. So how do you read more? You gotta want to. Similar to anything. If you don't really want it, you'll never do it. Anyway, Ramadan Mubarak. Look after yourselves. Call your mum. Hope she's doing well.